I have a great website here called coinmarketcap.com. Very resourceful if you're getting into crypto. If you want to learn more, you'll learn lots of terms, and I can show you quite a bit of things here. All things crypto related. So first off, it shows you how many, it lists over 19,000 cryptos. The number one being Bitcoin, number two being Ethereum. We'll get to that. It lists 511 exchanges. Those are places you go to buy and sell crypto. There's centralized ones and decentralized ones. And the market cap, this is how much, this is the market cap of the whole space, a crypto space, which is currently about 1.8 trillion. It commonly goes up over 2 trillion, but it's down a bit at the moment. Here's the trading volume, Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin owns just over 40% of the crypto market. So it's by far the largest crypto by percentage. And Ethereum, ETH here, as you can see, is it's number two, and we'll look at those in a second. This ETH gas fee is how much it costs if you buy something like an NFT, or you want to trade or send or swap some crypto. You have to pay a gas fee if you're on the Ethereum network. Just so you know, that's what that means. Currently it's 18 gwei, which is gigaway. So I'll show you first here. This is a list of trending cryptos. Basically have big in social media, lots of movement. Biggest gainers, look at that, 366%. That's crazy. And here's some recently added ones to coinmarketcap.com. And then here is the list, a list of I think it's in 100 anyway. Screens of 100 cryptos. As I mentioned, here's Bitcoin. The current price is $39,785 per coin. And over the last 24 hours, it's up just a little bit. 7 day, it's down a bit. Here's its market cap. Market cap is the number of coins that are out and available multiplied by the price. And this shows how many is out currently circulating. So number two here is Ethereum, which I mentioned earlier. It's currently $2,955 per coin. And I've seen it up over $4,000 before, but it's up in the short term, but down. Here's a graph. This is probably when it was up at $4,000 or more. I'll just show you a couple more. This one is Tether, USDT. It's called a stable coin, and it's basically pegged to the dollar, so it doesn't fluctuate other than just very little. And it's got an algorithm that adjusts its price to keep it pegged at $1. So say you have some Bitcoin and you feel like it's going to the price is going to drop soon or tank. You could trade your Bitcoin into Tether to a stable coin. There's different ones. Here's another one, USDC. And then no matter what the market does, it's always going to be worth $1. So it's kind of like a resting pool, if you will, that's unaffected by the market. It just stays at $1. And if Bitcoin drops again, in our example, you could always buy right back into Bitcoin with the stable coin without having to go through a traditional bank using fiat currency. So there's a few more here I'll point out that you probably have heard of before. Here's Dogecoin. It's currently the 13th. Has the 13th on this list. It's about 13 cents. At one point, last year or so, it peaked up to over 90 cents, and then it There was a big debacle on Robinhood. People couldn't sell when they wanted to, and I watched it go up and then come straight down without selling. Another one here is Shiba Inu. I mean, look at that. Look how cheap that is. But there's so many of these in circulation. Just a ton. But these are ones that you hear in the news. These are like the Doge meme coins. One more I guess I'll show you is this is Crypto.com. They recently sponsored like the LA Lakers or one of the LA teams, and it's called Crypto.com Stadium now, I guess. But their coin is called the CRO, CRO. I used to own some of that, but anyway, so I'll just move on. So now you know some cryptos, and another thing you could do on here to earn is if you go to the Learn tab. I'm not going to click on it, but you can actually learn. You can actually watch a series of videos for several different coins and tokens, and you can earn a few of them, and they'll you'll get them for free for learning about that particular coin or token. So that's something you could earn, just a tiny bit of crypto. They have these NFTs here. The diamond here, if you click on this, I've done a video on this before, but it's a rewards program. And every 24 hours you can spin or whatever, click for some more diamonds. If you do it 7 days in a row, the 7th day you get up to 50. As you can see, the first 3 days are 10 points a day, 10 diamonds. 4, 5, and 6 are 20, and the big ones, day 7. So you have to visit here 7 days in a row. I just like keep a tab open and just check it once a day. But with these diamonds, you can get these rewards, and they're NFTs. So here's an example of some. I'm going to hide the sold out ones. So right now I own this one, this one, this one, this one. They all say redeemed on them. And that they're being transferred to my wallet. They haven't shown up yet though. But so anyway, if you visit daily, you can collect these diamonds and get yourself an NFT. Who knows if it's worth anything, but at least you can say you have one. And who knows what it might do in the future. So it also has a list of exchanges. I'm not going to go into this, but there's spot exchanges, which are basically centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken and many others. And then there's DEXs, which are decentralized exchanges. So there's a list of those, and there's more, but I figure that's just a good introduction. Hopefully you've learned something. If you would, please follow my link in the description to the site. I'll get a diamond or two out of it, and that would be great. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Take care.